this video, we will give you an overview of our frameless belt drive centrifugal fan. This introduction will brief you on the details of each component, the assembly and disassembly procedures, and maintenance instructions. This belt drive model allows you to change the rotation speed. When the performance is insufficient or overloaded, the transmission ratio can be adjusted by changing the size of the pulleys to increase or decrease the speed. However, when increasing the speed, make sure the load current stays within the safe range. By removing bearing support frames, bearings on this model are installed on both sides for limited space installation. The impeller is the key component of a fan. With our strong R&D capabilities, Jiuzhou Enterprise Company Limited is able to develop high-efficiency fans based on clients' requirements. The impeller unit is composed of an impeller, a hub, and shaft parts. The installation procedure begins by mounting the hub onto the seal plate. Then insert the shaft into the hole of the hub and fix it with bolts. The inlet cone provides a smooth transition of air into the fan to improve operational efficiency and reduce turbulence and noise. The bearings and bearing housings are the rotary components of the fan. Please follow the standard procedures during installation to prolong the product's service life. First, install the impeller unit into the fan housing. Assemble the following components onto the shaft in the given order: the seal, bearing housings, bearings, and bush. Before fixing the bearings, please make sure you measure the internal clearances accurately to extend the service life. Position the motor on the motor base, push it against the housing, and install the pulleys on both the impeller shaft and motor shaft. It's important not to completely fix the pulley sleeve at this step. After installing the belt, correct the parallelism of the pulleys and carefully adjust the belt to the standard tensile stress. When entering the site, workplace safety is always the first priority. Only perform the maintenance work once the equipment is completely isolated from the power supply. After the screws are loosened, push the motor towards the housing and remove the belt and pulleys. Hang the impeller unit from the lifting hole and disassemble the bearing parts in sequence. After the inlet cones are detached from the housing, use the hanging equipment to remove the impeller.